छा माई लाल ॾिठा जे लोही लंज बचाए विया। छा नारा हुया छा नींहं हुया, हू मुड़स हुया या शींहं हुया, जे डूंगर डेल डकाए विया गजगोड़ करे गरमाए विया। मां कंहिं माण्हू मंझि मणिया, पर मूंखे अहिड़ा मुड़स मणिया जे सारो जग जरकाए विया ऐं पंहिंजो पाण भुलाए विया। हू प्यार पतंगा खामी हा ऐं केॾो दूर उॾामी विया, पर तुंहिंजे मुंहिंजे ॾीए में पंहिंजी जोत जलाए विया। अॼु छूह उन्हनि जा छोलीअ में ऐं ॿोल उन्हनि जा ॿोलीअ में, जे धरती तुंहिंजी छोलीअ में, जे सोने तुंहिंजी तवाए विया। We have gathered here to tell the international community against the brutalities committed by Pakistani agencies, Pakistani army against the Sindhi people. Bashir Khan Qureshi has been murdered in daylight, and they have threatened all the political leaders of Sindhi national struggle and Baloch people. Bashir Khan Qureshi knew that he would have been killed if he take the path, and he chose the path to go for the freedom march when he received threats from ISI. And it is shameful for the international community that the culprits of humanity, killers of the humanity, these are the crimes who Pakistan state is committing against Sindhi and Baloch people. Every day they are killing Sindhi and Baloch leaders. From the day one state operation is going on against Sindhi and Baloch national leaders. And it's really shame on the entire human rights activists, entire international community, that these criminals are still at large. And not a single army general, not a single ISI leader or ISI officer has been captured and brought to justice till today. They have killed millions of Bengali people, they have killed thousands of Baloch people, and every day we receive the dumped bodies of Sindhi and Baloch leaders, and not a single culprit has been brought to justice today. It's a really shame for the entire international community. They must act, and they must act now to save the entire world and give the peace, because Sindhi and Baloch people are by nature secular, and we know that Saint James' philosophy, which Bashir Khan Qureshi has taken in his hands, and he was following that philosophy. That philosophy has a message for the entire world for the peace. And if the entire world wants peace, then they must listen to Sindhi and Baloch people. They must support Sindhi and Baloch national struggle for their rights, for their freedom and right of self-determination. So we are here to tell the entire community, international community, and mainly the British government, to press upon Pakistani government that Bashir Khan's family is with us, Bashir Khan's whole nation is with us. Bashir Khan's whole nation does not trust on Pakistani regime and Pakistani agencies and Pakistani inquiry. So we demand the international inquiry to find out the culprits of Bashir Khan Qureshi's killers and bring them to the justice. And we are here to ask the entire international community to help us to find and to demand the international inquiry for Bashir Khan Qureshi. Thank you very much.
Stop supporting Pakistan. Stop supporting
Pakistan.
Stop supporting
Pakistan.
Everyone under
कंपटीशन हुई हुते फोटो कढण जे लाइ फोटोग्राफर